Go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Evan. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
What is this? That's what he said. What is this?
You want to try some?
Grandma made you your own cake.
Oh boy. He's gonna have it
Oh.
all.
Ooh, good. Ooh. Ooh.
Want some more? Oh,
Ooh.
wow.
Oh. Good.
He likes it. Here, buddy. Here, take those pieces. Maybe he doesn't need glasses. Oh, that's the messy part.
Ooh, Evan. Ooh. Ooh, good. Mm. Mm.
That is so funny. He does that with Richard sometimes too.
Oh.
He'll say, and he gives him stuff. He gives him something all the time. He'll say,
Good.
is that good?
Mm.